Welcome to my channel, The Purple Poncho. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make the floral berry flower applique. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website at thepurpleponcho.com. Thank you for being here, and let's get crocheting. To begin, I am using Red Heart with Love, which is a number 4 worsted weight or medium weight yarn. I'm using 5 different colors along with my size J 6mm crochet hook. To begin, make a slip knot and place it on your crochet hook. Chain 4, and counting back to that first chain that we made, place 11 double crochet stitches in the first chain. And this beginning chain now on the edge counts as a double crochet, and we're going to place 12 double crochet in that first chain. It will become looser, and you can get all the stitches inside that first chain. Just keep putting everything in that first chain, all your double crochets. I like doing it this way because your beginning loop here is not going to come undone later on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To end the round, count up on that first chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go into the top of that chain 3 and slip stitch. Okay. So here is round 1. Round 2, we're going to chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and chain 1 and single crochet in the next. And we're going to chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. So we're single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. And at the end, chain 1 and slip stitch to your beginning single crochet stitch and end off your yarn. And we should have 12 single crochet and 12 slip stitch, or chains I mean. And the measurement is right about 2.5 inches across. Go ahead and end off your yarn, and we're going to get a new piece of a new color. Bring in a new color, make a slip knot, place that on your hook, and we're going to start in any single crochet stitch. So do a standing single crochet stitch in a single crochet, not in the chain space. We're going in the stitch and single crochet right there, and in the next stitch in the chain 1 space we're going to do a berry stitch. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, chain 3 right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then using your finger from behind, kind of push it to the front towards you, and then go into the next single crochet from the previous round and put a single crochet right there. Okay, and then we're going to repeat this all the way around. So insert your hook in the next chain 1 space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and chain 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and push it to the front, and then single crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat this all the way around, making these little cute little berry stitches. Okay. Oh, cute. So repeat that all the way around. To end this round, finish your last berry stitch and go ahead and slip stitch to the top of your beginning stitch. End off your yarn. To begin round 4, go ahead and place a standing single crochet in any single crochet stitch from the previous row or round. Chain 2, skip the berry stitch, come over to the single crochet stitch on the other side of the berry, and single crochet right there. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, which is the berry stitch, and single crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. Skip 1, single in the next. Okay, in the round, repeat that all the way around. Chain 2 and slip stitch to your beginning stitch and end off your yarn. For your next round, round 5, make a slip knot and place it on your hook, and we're going to begin in any chain 2 space, with a standing half double crochet, and then double crochet, and then half double, all in that same chain 2 space. And we're going to repeat this all the way around. Half double, and then double, and then half double in the chain 2 space. So we're skipping the single crochet down below. So half double, double, and half double. So repeat this all the way around. Ending the round, go ahead and slip stitch to your beginning stitch at the top and yarn over and pull through, slip stitch there, make a knot. So now we've got 12 little petals going. Alright, that's round 5. So getting my next color, for round 6, we're going to start with a slip stitch to any petal, doesn't matter which petal you start with, so I'll start right here. We're going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet of any petal. Okay, so here's a petal right here. Here's another petal. So I'm going into that first half double, slip stitch there, chain 2, and place a double crochet in the next stitch, and then chain 2, come back down to your next stitch, which is your half double crochet, slip stitch there, and then slip stitch into the next half double crochet stitch. So now we're at the next petal, and we're going to be working with these stitches. So now chain 2, we're going to repeat this again, so chain 2, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, and then come down and slip stitch to your next stitch, and then slip stitch in the next. So we're slip stitching 2 times right there. Okay, so here's how it's looking. We're just extending that petal right there. So we're going to repeat this all the way around. So again, chain 2, double in the next, chain 2, slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. So here's 1 and 2, and then repeat, and I'll meet you around. Finishing the round, I'm going to slip stitch in the last stitch, And I'm going to slip stitch over to the first chain of my beginning chain 2 and end off your yarn. And that's how it's looking. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so for the next round, I'm going to grab the pink again, slip knot, and we're going to be doing almost the same round again, slight variation. Okay, we're going to attach to the beginning of any petal, so here's a petal right here, and I'm going to go into that same spot again of the beginning petal of where we were on the last round, and I'm going to slip stitch right there. So I'm going over that slip stitch with the new color that we just made in the previous round. So all these little areas here, we're going to be working over those. Chain 3, and then coming up to the top of our petal, I'm going into that double crochet stitch at the top, and I'm going to make 3 single crochets in that same double crochet stitch. Put all 3 right there. Okay, and then chain 3, and come back down, follow that chain 2 down, and we're going to slip stitch right over that previous row slip stitch, and then we're going to slip stitch over again where we did last time in round 5, and we're going to start again. Chain 3, find the top of your double crochet stitch, and put 3 single crochet right there, all in the same stitch. And chain 3, come back down, slip stitch again in the next stitch, and repeat again. Here's how it looks. And repeat that all over. Finishing my last stitch, and slip stitch to your beginning stitch at the base and end off your yarn. And here is how it's looking. So pretty. Here's the back. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on the floral berry flower applique. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website at thepurpleponcho.com for more crochet, knit, and Tunisian crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for being here and crocheting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day.